Hey guys, what's up? I'm doing a get ready with me today like usual. I've been doing a lot of get ready with me's. I have to burp. I don't know if it's gonna happen. Oh, there's a yawn. Jeez. If you guys want to subscribe to my channel, there is a red button down below. Please click it, turn on my post notifications so you can see when my next video is up. And also, I will be hosting a 5,000 subscriber giveaway as soon as I hit 5,000 subscribers. I'm so close you guys, and I have so many goodies for you and prestige goodies like Anastasia. Like all sorts of awesome cosmetics and hair care too. So if you guys want to see how I got this little look today, then just keep on watching. My bed is a wreck in the background, don't really care that much, it's fine. Where's my phone? Dang it. Hey guys, what's up? It's Kelly. Today I'm doing a get ready with me. This is my I'm running out of time kind of face, and I'm not doing like a full face of makeup, but I am. You can hear my boyfriend outside. He's so cute. Here we go. I'm gonna start it with the eyebrows. I'm doing my Anastasia brow definer in medium brown. I have a friend date today. That's super fun with my buddy Madison. I'm doing that weird quiet thing again. I have too many layers on. Oh my god, so much is happening. So today I get off work real late, and then I'm gonna go see Incredibles 2. We've waited what, like 13 years or something for this movie, so Jag and I are gonna go see that tonight. Story time. One time when Jagger and I went to the movies, he left his car unlocked and all of his stuff got stolen out of it, so that's super awesome. We go to the movies a decent amount. I've never gone to the movies so much in my entire life. That's okay, because he's sweet to me and he takes me there. So we've seen like all of the new Avengers movies that have been coming out, which I am super thankful for, because now I'm a big Avengers Marvel fan. I have 2 weddings within the next 2 weeks that I have to go to, which isn't a problem. I'm excited to go to them, but your girl has to start looking more presentable. I need to keep tanning. I went and tanned 2 days ago. So I actually look a little bit darker than usual. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I know that I look darker than usual, which is awesome. Boing Airbrush Concealer, and I'm putting this on a Morphe MB16 brush, and I'm gonna just like define underneath my brows. Guess what, guys? It's 12 p.m. on a Saturday. You hear those sirens? That's what that means. And then I take the same concealer, warm it up with my finger, and then we're gonna put this underneath the eye. I should be using my ring finger for this, but you know what? I just feel like flipping you guys all off today. I like using my middle finger and then reinforcing it with my other finger. Come on, I'm funny. Laugh at my jokes. I'm gonna get demonetized because of that. And then either I take just like a little bit more of a spritz of concealer or whatever is left on my finger and put it on top of my eyelids. Oh yeah, we're gonna conceal the top of our nose and down here because we just totally extract the crap out of our face today. Oh god, my chin looks so bad. If Tana Mojo can slap makeup on her face, then I can slap makeup on my face. I mean, I don't see the big difference. Going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick. This is in the color Shadow. Also doing it on the sides of my nose too, and then right underneath my lip. And then I'm taking an angled Real Techniques brush. I'm being real gentle, but buffing it up. Back and forth and back and forth. Circle, 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 circle. I'm pretty sure I'm all blended out, but at the same time, like, I definitely am getting eye damage from my light right now. Like, I don't know what's going on with that. So I'm taking my MAC powder. This one is Light Plus with a mineralized skin finish. Actually, my summer color is this color, like half a shade darker than what I usually am. Really scrubbing it into the skin and on the face. And if you haven't noticed, I'm like mostly applying it in the areas where I didn't bronze, and then I'm like lightly going over those spots and maybe like pressing it in a little. I don't want to pick up any of what we already put down. HAHHAAA bronzer. Bronzer on the outside of our nose. I'm really sloppy with bronzer. I used to be so like making sure it's only in one spot and doodle blah blah blah. Sometimes I put too much on, but also most of the time I don't care. So and then I like to do a natural blush. This is the blush in Exposed from Tarte. I hate it when people come into my job and they're like, where's Tarte? Like, where's your butt? I should never say that to a client ever. Never ask a client where their butt is if you're mad at them. Maybe I just can't see just because I just can't see. Because I can't see. Did that make sense? I don't have my glasses on. I don't have my contacts in. I think I'm gonna pull out my Soft Glam palette and we're gonna go into this color Rustic. Okay, so little fact about me, I ruin all of my towels by cleaning my brushes on them. I literally can't see out of my right eye. I literally can't see anything. I'm gonna take Rustic and I'm putting it on an MB17 Morphe, and this is just gonna go all over my lid, and then I'm gonna blend whatever's left up into the crease. We don't want it super pigmented in the crease though, so mainly I'm patting it down on my lid, barely taking whatever's left on the brush and putting it up into our crease and underneath the brow and pulling it out here and then pulling it under the eye. And since this makeup look is just really simple anyway, I wouldn't super worry about it being like perfectly blended, because who cares and who's even gonna watch this? And if you want to blend it the way you want to blend it, then just blend it your way. My favorite mascara, it's the Bad Gal Bang from Benefit. I don't know if you guys have tried this before, but the before and after difference of my eyelashes is always crazy. All right, look at the difference. Beautiful. Taking out my Anastasia Amrezy, my beautiful highlighter, and then we're just gonna highlight this face up. So I always do tops of the cheekbones, all down my nose. I don't do one specific spot on my nose. I like to do the Cupid's bow, and lately I've been doing the chin too, because I feel like my forehead's pretty big. And then I take whatever's left on the brush and brush it across my forehead, you know, to just kind of give me that dewy glow throughout the rest of the day. And then I take my Morphe MB19 brush. Sometimes I spray it down, sometimes I don't. And then I just get a really blinding highlight right up underneath my brow bone. We'll just spritz her on for a photo op. Alright you guys, so that's gonna be it for the video today. Thank you so much for watching. I'm kind of a mess. I'm kind of a freak. It's fine. I just kind of wanted to film this look for you guys and sit down and just, you know, do a video today. This is my channel and I can do what I want to do, so I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!